TempleDao's Dune Dashboards Explained, the Temple Staking Calculator. The brilliant Dune dashboards made by bobruisk and ethpanda are a wealth of useful information. However, they can be quite overwhelming if you are unfamiliar with them. Let these videos be your guide to walk you through the dashboards step by step. The link to the Dune dashboards and other useful Temple resources can be found in the description directly under the video. Today we will dive into the Temple Staking Calculator dashboard. This is what you will see when you first land on the dashboard page. The first two fields are editable, and you should enter your Ethereum wallet address here to receive personalized results. The future price can be left as default. This means the dashboard will use live current prices for its calculations. Alternatively, you can input your own future price to see some pretty interesting results. Once you enter your Ethereum wallet address, you will be treated to your base metrics. USD value now shows the value of your current holdings based on the current price. Temple price on AMM shows the price of Temple at the current AMM price. This price changes purely based on supply and demand in the AMM. Staked balance is the number of OG Temple you have. When you stake Temple, you receive OG Temple. Only OG Temple receives daily rebase rewards. Unstaked balance is the number of Temple you have. If you have any balance here, it means it is not staked and will not receive daily rebase rewards. Temple/OG Temple is the conversion ratio between OG Temple to Temple. You convert between the two using the formula OG Temple equals Temple times conversion ratio. Further down the page, you will see metrics related to your staked Temple. 90 days staked at expected price is your projected total holdings of Temple in USD after 90 days, assuming price changes to the forecasted price. You can change the future price at the top to see what your holdings will be if the price changes after 90 days. Runway in days is the number of days that Temple can maintain the same rate of rewards to stakers if treasury revenue were to completely stop. This is how many days you can expect to keep getting rebase rewards. 90 days staked at current price is your projected total holdings of Temple in dollars after 90 days, assuming price stays the same. The same goes for 60 and 30 days staked at current price. Future gains shows you three different values. Stake and sell USD is your projected revenue over 1 year. Sell now USD is how much you would make by selling everything now. Frax sacrificed is your total spend in Frax so far. Again, you can change the future price at the top to see what your staked holdings will be if the price changes over time. The final section holds a collection of other metrics related to the fire ritual, opening ceremony, and AMM trades. Break-even date is the estimated date for when you will break even on your initial investments, assuming price and APY stay the same. Frax FR/OC sacrifice shows your total cost in USD of Temple bought during fire ritual or opening ceremony. Average FR/OC price shows your average combined price in USD of Temple bought during the fire ritual or opening ceremony. 90 days staking forecasted price ROI is your percent returns if you stayed staked for 90 days. Simple Sell Now ROI is your estimated returns for all your Temple tokens at the current price. This is how much USD you end up with if you sell everything now, assuming no slippage. Net AMM trading Frax is your total Frax made minus Frax spent on the AMM. Net AMM trading Temple is your number of Temple bought minus Temple sold on the AMM. That about covers it for the Temple Staking Calculator dashboard. In part 2, we will explore the AMM Key Metrics dashboard. That one will be jam-packed with everything you need to know about the AMM and exit queue, as well as the distribution of treasury funds and tokens. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date. We have a lot more coming, Templars.